gosh, oh my god. Just trying to get back into the swing of posting videos. I'm gonna do a live tomorrow, Friday the 10th at around 3 p.m. I don't know how long it will last. But I mentioned this to my friend and she's like, oh, what are you going to talk about? And I was like, I didn't plan anything. I don't have anything planned to talk about in particular. I didn't know I was supposed to plan something. I don't know. But yeah, so that's, oh my gosh, tomorrow at 3 p.m. Friday the 10th. I don't know what it's going to be like trying to go live from my phone. So it could be, I'll try like 5 minutes before 3 and then see how long it takes to go live. I know going live from my computer took 7 days. So yeah, that's basically it. And cutting back, I know this is a common theme or thing that I talk about. I know it was like many years ago, but cutting back on drinking booze, just having to sparkle in water. Oh my god, there's flies having sex at my house. My hair is wet because I just had a shower, and there's been this spider that's been living in my shower. Yes, Babadoo. He's been living in there, and he just like twitches his legs while I'm washing my hair and stuff. And today, and like last time I showered, I didn't see him. And then today, he was like, I turned on the shower and the thing is showering, and I hadn't gotten in yet because I noticed Mr. Black Spider-Man. He's not hairy or anything, but he is a darker spider, so you can see like his legs very clearly. Was in the bottom of the tub and the water was like spritzing on him and he was like trying to escape out. And normally I would just kill spiders in this situation, but I feel like this spider has become a little bit of a friend. He always minds his business in the shower. He's very polite. He doesn't like crawl at me or chase me or anything, so I thought that was fine. And so I grabbed a bottle from my counter that had, it's like a black salt face mask, whatever bottle, and it's mostly flat. So I was like trying to scoop him until I realized I'll just put it in front of his legs that are twitching and let him crawl on it. And then he did. And then I panicked and I just threw the bottle out of the bathroom and I can see it sitting over there. So I don't know if he survived that. But my goal was not to kill him. But then I realized, probably throwing him at the ground, I don't know. He wasn't very big, but he also wasn't like in the middle of the bottle. He was kind of really towards the end, and I'm a little worried I may have chopped off some of his legs. I mean, I guess I could go check, but maybe I should go check on him. He's right next to my Timberlands, and I'm a little scared he might crawl inside for revenge, but who knows. But yeah, that was interesting anyways. Hi, Meemaw. No burp. Oh my gosh, baby. Why do you always want to sit up here? You're so silly. I love you. Look at your big juicy eyes. You're so perfect. You're so perfect, me, Manu. She's a special girl. So yeah, doing live tomorrow at 3, and I have nothing planned. Just, I guess, I don't even know if it's gonna be like doing live on my computer where I can see the chat. I don't know. So I don't know if I'll be able to see if anyone's typing anything or if anyone has joined. I don't know what to expect, just winging it. Hi, beautiful. She's like staring at me and her tail is wagging and it's really cute. Boop! You want to come up here? Oh my gosh, you're so silly. You're so silly. Oh my gosh, she's a special girl. She's my best friend. Oh. And my husband's my best friend. And my sister's my best friend. But me and all, she's definitely my best friend. She said, I'm mommy's best friend. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. She's special girl. She's so sweet. Oh my god. I need to wipe this table. I have an onion. I had intended to cook pasta with ground beef last week, but unfortunately, I waited too long and the beef went bad. So, can you do? What can you do? She's so cute. No. I hope it's acceptable to do a live with nothing planned. I plan on putting on actual makeup, like eye makeup. Does that count? I don't know. Does it fucking count? I don't know if that counts. I'm really fond of cheese omelets these days. Been eating cheese omelets. I guess I should have saved that for my live. That's like riveting information. Just kidding. This weekend is Thanksgiving. We're gonna make a chicken because we're just two people. Well, two people and like a dog. We can't finish a turkey. So we're just gonna do a chicken and some mushrooms and some Brussels sprouts, and then maybe, I don't know what we're going to, but I have a nail appointment on Sunday, so excited for that. I will never do this shape ever again. I fucking hate it. I'm not a coffin person, and I tried to convince myself that I liked it for like at least a few weeks, but I am admitting now I hate this shape. I don't like it at all. I think it looks not nice on my hands. Definitely prefer the pointy nails. But that's really it. And it's, well, a long weekend, so Stinky's gonna be home. And was my niece's birthday on Monday, I think, on the 6th. So my sister and I are going for froyo, frozen yogurt. I'm not gonna eat any. I don't really care for frozen treats, despite the fact that I have eaten several ice cream sandwiches in the last couple of nights. I am a sleep eater. I do that, and it is cold, and it is a commitment to eat one of those things when you're half asleep. But yeah, I don't really like things that, it's not like, the cookie makes it not so bad, but like just like mouthfuls of frozen dessert, I don't really care for that. It makes my mouth too cold. So I learned this through eating smoothie bowls, frozen smoothie bowls, which I thought I liked, but just the thought of like the frozen stuff in my mouth, it's cringe, it's gross. Anyways, tomorrow, 3-ish p.m. That's basically it. Oh my god.